Hello and welcome back. Today, we're going to take apart the Vivo Y03 step by step. Curious to know what's inside? Let's dive in. Before we start, let's move on to check the model details. Alright, it's time to get to work. Heat the back cover for a few minutes to loosen the adhesive. Use a thin tool to carefully slide around the edges and separate the back cover. Remove all the screws securing the middle frame. Next, eject and remove the SIM tray. Remove the middle frame. Remove the volume and power buttons from the middle frame. Then, remove the motherboard cover. Apply a dust sticker to the rear camera. Disconnect the battery and screen flex cables. Carefully remove the rear camera. Remove the front camera next. Disconnect the screen flex cable and coaxial cable at the charging board. Gently lift the charging board first to remove the coaxial cable underneath. Detach the vibrator from its position. Gently lift the motherboard. Remove the earpiece speaker at the top. Apply a small amount of alcohol and remove the volume and power button flex cable. Carefully remove the battery along with its adhesive. If you need to replace the screen, heat it to loosen the adhesive. Use a suction cup to create a small gap. Use a plastic pry tool along the edges to separate the screen from the frame. And that's it for the Vivo Y03 Teardown. For more content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.